Yan o. Okay, delicious. Sa harap dito sa Mazda. Hey, today is Friday afternoon. Unlimited to guys for only 199. So here are the foods. We have rice, kare-kare guys. We have this sisig tofu, fried chicken. Meron silang pansit, spaghetti, toge, and yung side dishes ng mga samji. Oh, diba? Panalo to, guys. Oh, saan ka pa? 199 lang. Busog ka na dito. Diba? Kakain na kami. Okay ka niya naman. At nandulubang pogi kong asawa. Sarap, guys. Nakailang balik na kami dito. Kung taga Sambales kayo, must try. K-Delicious. 199.
Guys, if you will try noodles ko na cheese wrap, nito nalagay mo marami na cheese. Sama?
No, eat now. Show it to them. No. You. Linawan mo yung salita mo. Sarap. Sabi niya, the food is so tasty and sarap daw. Ano yung bibigay mo sa kanila?
Coin.
Coin? Tip? Delicious?
Yeah. Good. Hi guys, I have some more noodles so tasty.
Some more noodles daw because it's so tasty. Naka-round to na. Oh, sarap. Yummy!